everybody is fine and doing well, safe and sound. Salam alaikum ko waqt mubakhay. Padilaj to juro luga dafe pajama ke khwanti will say I welcome all of you to our new video in new lesson. That's what I'm class way. In today's lesson, we're going to have an interesting grammar lesson. Grammar. There's a little before moving on to the book. I'm going to just explain the grammar for you, then we can move on to the book and understand this. So the grammar chosen for today is about the used to plus verb. In today's lesson we are going to learn about the used to, when to use it, how to use it, and it is an outstanding grammar lesson. So today the way that I'm going to teach you, I'm sure that you will never ever forget it. So let's start our today's lesson. Today's lecture is about the used to plus verb. This structure is used to talk about an action which was happening in the past and we are not doing that anymore. دا structure یعنی used to له verb سره استعمالیږي چې د داسې یو کار یا داسې یو عمل په اړه خبرې وکړي چې په تېر وخت کې موږ دا کار ترسره کوو. maybe زموږ habit یا عادت و یا maybe زموږ په schedule کې و چې دا کار په مداومه یا regular توګه باندې ترسره کوو مګر هم اوس یې نور نه ترسره کوو. نو دا عمل یعنی کله چې غواړو د past time habit وښیو د past time هغه action نه وښیو چې اوس یې نور نه ترسره کوو بیا هغه د used to plus verbs پواسطه خیو. For example, the مثال په توګه I used to speak dairy. ما عادت درلوده یا ما فارسی خبرې کولې. So when I use used to plus verb, when I use used to کله چې used to استعمالومه دا automatically هغه کس ته وایي چې زه دا عمل نور نه ترسره کوم. Like now I'm not doing that action anymore. The next one, we used to teach English. We used to teach English. دو معنی ورته ورکولی سو. که د عادت په اړه خبرې کولی سو you can say ما عادت درلوده چې انګلیسي درس ورکړم او که د یوازې عادت نه یو عمل و د تاسو ویلی سئ چې ما انګلیسي تدریس کوه. سو په دواړه توګه معنی بیا هم په آخر کې یو شی کیږي چې that you are not doing this action now چې اوس دا کار نه ترسره کیږي. The next one, Ahmad used to study. Ahmad used to study. احمد درس ویلی. احمد درس ویلی. Ahmad used to study. So, dear students, now let's look at the last example. Razi Chakhiri misal ta guru. She used to be a teacher. She used to be a teacher. When we want to talk about the previous state, kala chawara the tero state ya halat par ham khabare ko bia ham ga kawale se che used to plus state ya adjective istemal ko. She used to be a teacher. Haga ya ustaza wa. It means that she is not a teacher anymore. She's not a teacher right now. Was he ustaza nada. So she used to be but then had adjective jo. Masalan kawale se che she used to be a doctor, she used to be an engineer, she used to be an intelligent student, she used to be very lazy. So all the things can be replaced. But when you want to talk about the past or the previous state, which is not really available right now, so you can use she used to, used to plus be, then the adjective or the noun or the state or whatever that you can want. So that's the rule. Now you might ask how to change them to questions. Question ta change ko. Okay, dear students, so now I'm going to teach you how to change a sentence which has used to on it to question and to negative. So you better know that used to plus verb is used to talk about the past actions which we are not going to do it anymore. But if we get used to the تیر وخت د عمل په اړه خبرې کوي چې موږ نور نه ترسره کوو. نو کله چې د تیر وخت عمل په اړه خبرې کوو زموږ helping verb ډېری اوقات سوي exactly did we د په واسطې موږ کولی شو خپله جمله question ته چینج کړو او د دې رول په اړه هم شاید تاسو پوه سئ چې کله did جملې ته راځي که verb دویم شکل کوي د did په راتلو سره verb بیرته کوم فارم د خپل اخلي exactly first فارم اخلي. نو دلته مې تاسو مثالونه لیکلي تاسو وګورئ. You used to wake up early. You used to wake up early. So for changing this sentence to question, we just need to bring did in the beginning of the sentence. No kala چې غواړو دا جمله question دی یا سوال د چینج کو د جملې شروع ته did راولو بیا used تبدیلیږي بیرته خپل اولی شي عادي شکل ده used تبدیلیږي used. Did you used to wake up early? Did you used to wake up early? The next one. She used to arrive late. She used to arrive late. Did she used to arrive late? Did she used to arrive late? The next one. This is the negative form. Negative की आवाज़ से कहो, negative की आवाज़ से did not जुमले तराज़ी أو verb used بتبدلي की used تعمل بكم توبير بكنا رأسي. For example, they used to cheat customers. هاوي customers يوم مشتريانو تا دوكا وركولا يا فريق وركولا. So they didn't used to cheat customers. You can see that that's what we did. The did part لوسرا used to تبدأ used أو ترى غير تروح. The did was تبقى كوالي سوتشي سوال وكم مثلا زغور ما يو شخص نسوال وكم أشي. تا that دلودة شيء مكتب تلارنسي. Did you used to not go to school? The next one مثلا غور ما يو كسر سوال وكم أشي. تا that دلودة شيء كرهنا كيوكي. Did you used to do homework? So مثلا زبرت غور ما بسوق كم شو هو ما that دلودة شيء كرهنا يوكم. Yes. I used to do homework. Or yes, Ahmad used to do homework. So this was the used to grammar. That the used to grammar. بدي is the same music. لو شاكردانو. نونوس بسكا وس بزوك خبل كتاب تا أو خبل كتاب كي تدي مازو باكلا باسكو. Dear students, page 17, lesson 4. تاسو page بسكرين كده lesson. Used to plus verb, no ending. Do you remember these sentences from the reading passage? I had the جملة reading passage كبستا سوي بياديجي. Hamid used to be a farmer, but he is retired now. Hamid يو دهقانو يا بزغارو ما كان موسي تقاعد كراته. Option B, Hamid used to look after his father's ship. And option C, his mother used to make remedies. So these were the sentences that we had in our paragraph used to be. No, we used to when something happened quite a long time ago in the past. كلا ممكن used to سي مالو كلا تجور دا غسل عمل بارا خبرنا كوچ دير زيادة ده لري تير وقت مخكي دا عمل تحصل شوية. Either شايد for a quite long time شايد دير زيادة تير وقت مخكي or again يا هم بمداومة يا regular تو كمان دا عمل تحصل كده. So the structure of the saying. Number 2. Now check these sentences we use used to instead of past tense. The جملة اللي بدنا نشوفها ممكن دي used to بواسطة ده جملة بتبدله option A. Everyone listened to the story. Everyone used to listen to story. Option B. We lived in a traditional house. We used to live in a traditional house. C. A well supplied the whole village. A well used to supply the whole village. Option D. I traveled on horses as a boy. I used to travel on horses as a boy. Option E. It was a desert in Hamid's youth. It used to be a desert in Hamid's youth. So this was the second part. Let's go to the number 3 or the third part. Do not use used to in a question or a negative. Negative question كي ما استعمالوي. Use the past tense. Look at this conversation. تانو شو كردانو. مونجا دلتا بكتابكم تبغى شو بدي شيء used to استعمالوال. past time كي ما استعمالوي يا. تاسو past time كي ما استعمالوي used to كلا شيء كم دقيقة بجاي كولا سيجي simple past tense مستقيم استعمالكي. نو دا برها تاسو تزداش وزا كشيء تاسو مثلا بوشي جسنج used to دقيقة استعمالكي بquestion كي استعمالكي. So question كولا باكلا يعني negative جنو برمحال كولا سيجي simple past tense use كي. Let's check them out. Salim used to eat a lot when he was younger. What did he eat? Say خوردن. Did he eat good food? آیا خوردن؟ No, he didn't eat good food. He used to eat junk food. خوردن. So now say more conversation like that about Fahim. Use these. لو شاكدون تلغتونا دي مثلا بتوجه read books, newspaper. Number 1 كي. Number 2 كي play football, tennis. Option 3 كي هم travel to Asia, to Europe. So لو شاكدون you can make sentences for them. Section 4. Look at this sentence which is in the past. The جملة past time كده وقولي. Ahmed lived in a traditional house as a youth. Ahmed جوان كوا په یو فرعي کور کې as د یو ځوان په توګه you can write the sentence again with used to. کولای سئ چې له used to سره هم دا جمله ولیکئ. Hamid used to live in a traditional house as a youth. Now look at this sentence which is also in past. د جملې ته هم وګورئ چې past time کې دی. Hamid went to Farah last week. Hamid لاړ فراه ته په تېر هفتې کې. We cannot write this sentence again with used to. دا جمله بیا په used to سره موږ نشو لیکلی. If you do not understand که نه پوهېږئ چې ولې why it is not possible ولې امکان لري read part 1 ولولئ of passage again the passage part 1 لومړی بیا ولولئ and before you write the next exercise مخکې له دې چې next exercise ته ځئ. دا نو شاګردانو په دې برخه کې تاسو دا تشریح سوي دي چې تاسو په پارت 1 کې پوه سولی چې دا د هغه عمل لپاره استعمالیږي چې په تېر وخت کې ما تاسو په تشریح کې په درس کې ویلي چې د هغه عمل لپاره استعمالیږي چې په تېر وخت کې ترسره کېده او اوس نه کېږي یو پوینټ یې او د هغې ترخه ما ویلي چې د هغه عمل لپاره استعمالیږي چې اګین نګین یا د ریګولر په توګه استعمالېده چې ترسره کېده چې اګین نګین یا هم په مداومه توګه باندې د عمل نه ترسره کېدل. نو دا چې په دې جمله کې تاسو همداس په سکرین کې ویلی Hamid went to school په دې جملې کې خو Hamid went to Farah. Hamid فراه ته تللی و. This action was not happened again and again. دا داسې عمل نه و چې ریګولر په توګه باندې ترسره شي. نو ځکه موږ دا جمله صحیح ده چې past tense کې ته مګر نشو کولی چې used to سره چینج کړو. Let's go to section 5. Write the following sentences in your notebook with used to if it's possible. used to په واسطې دا جملې په خپل کتابچو کې ولیکئ که امکان لري. وګورئ چې راځئ وګورو کوم یو امکان لري کوم یو نه لري. Number 1. Hamid was a farmer but he is retired now. So this is possible to change. Hamid used to be a farmer but he is retired now. Number 2. As a youth, the ځوان په توګه Hamid often observed his father. د یو ځوان په توګه Hamid تل د خپل پلار سره سپورټ کوي د خپل پلار یې حمایت کوه. So as a youth Hamid used to observe his father. Number 3. Hamid's mother fetched water from a well. Hamid's mother used to fetch water from a well. Number 4. Hamid retired last year. So, this is not a way Hamid retired last year. This is way Hamid used to retire last year. ځکه چې retire یا هم تقاعد کول داسې یو کار ده چې again again یا په مداومه توګه ترسره شي په تېر وخت کې. نو ځکه د یو ځل ترسره شوی ده ختم شوی ده. یعنې په ریګولر توګه نه ترسره کېږي ځکه we cannot change the sentence. Let's go to number 5. Hamid was here on Monday. So this is also not changeable. Number 6. Khalid moved on his new house recently. This is also not able to change and or not possible to change. Number 7. Khalid was a student at an agriculture college. Khalid used to be a student at an agriculture college. Number 8. Before he moved to his new house, Khalid had lived in a traditional house. Before he moved to his new house, Khalid used to live in his traditional house. Number 9. When they were young, the children used to listen to stories from their mother. When they were young, the children used to listen to stories from their mother. And number 10. The family had traveled on foot before they got a car. The family used to travel on foot before they got a car. So we did this exercise together. The exercise munga finish ke او end مرتبه together یو په یو ځای توګه. So I hope you've understand it. په دې لږ په توپیر باندې پوه سوي اوسئ. دومره احساسونه ترسره شول. نو I'm sure that you have catch today's lecture. نو په دې اطمینان لرم چې په نن درس باندې پوه سوي اوسئ. تر راتلونکي درس پورې چې بیا په راتلونکي درس کې موږ تاسو ته writing from notes لرو د تونه پر اساس یو writing لرو هغه به زده کوو. تاسو ټول لوی او پاک خدای ته سپارم. Have a nice time and goodbye.